Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the problem when Microsoft Store is not properly downloading apps. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. Incorrect date and time also cause issues with the Microsoft Store guys. To fix this, you just want to right click on the date and time over here. Select adjust date and time. In here you just need to turn on set time automatically and set time zone automatically. You just need to turn it on both of it guys. After doing this, close out of here. Check your problem resolved or not. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to clear the Microsoft cache files guys. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type wsreset .exe. Click on OK. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache guys. Now check your problem solved or not. Third solution is to check you have enough space on the drive where app are being saved. To check it, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it guys. Click on storage over here. Now make sure you have enough space to install the app guys. After checking it, you just need to delete all unwanted applications guys, and you just need to free up space. Fourth solution is to temporarily disable your antivirus protection guys, and try downloading the app again from the Microsoft Store guys. If none of these solutions fixed your problem, final solution is to reset the Microsoft Store guys. To do this, go to search menu and type installed app. Click on open it guys. Now in here search for Microsoft Store. Click on the three dot icon over here and select advanced options. You just need to scroll down, select the reset option and reset it guys. Now after getting resetting done, you just need to close out of here and make sure you not using VPN when downloading apps from Microsoft Store guys. Temporarily disable the VPN you are using it guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.